Hello, folks. It's the 9th of January 2014, about mid afternoon, 21 degrees, partly cloudy. I haven't checked the news. Same old stuff going on, folks. I'm almost sure. I haven't heard any utopia, stop killing, we're going to love one another, we're going to be kind to one another. I haven't heard any of that stuff. I mean, I don't watch the news, but the horns might be honking outside of such a wonderful revelation. So, kind of cool outside. 21 degrees is a heat wave compared to a few days ago, but it's still kind of cool. So cool, I don't want to go outside and make a video. But last night I seen chemtrails spraying in between the clouds. So, there you go, folks. I mean, full disclosure of chemtrail spraying would be one thing that would represent, to me, conversation, dialogue. But none of that. So anyway, folks, I just wanted to check in and say hi. How you guys doing? Oh yeah, see it. Here is the camera right up here. I'm looking down here at the screen. Well, there. So anyway, folks, that's about what's going on. Not much of anything. So, be kind to one another. Love one another. Collective, beautiful thoughts is a good thing. We have so much collective negative thoughts. I mean, the typical Israeli Arab thing. So many negative, and the American government and all these wars. Every time someone kills someone, that creates maybe 5, 10, 20 negative vibrations towards the other person that did the killing. And it works on both sides. The people doing the killing think they're doing a wonderful thing. Let's do the killing. And so they have they have negative vibrations. They think it's positive to do the killing. And it goes on and on. It's the whole world of negative vibrations, folks. We gotta stop this and love one another, love everything on earth, be kind to everything. Stop all this destruction, folks. That's the way I see it. Alright. Let's see. Oh, 3 minutes. 4 minutes. Going on 4 minutes. Okay, folks. That's my train of thought. I heard somebody was sick. I was in this chat room. And there's one person dying of cancer or whatever. That's his illness. So I made now 2 videos on YouTube about dealing with cancer. And I got another third one soon to be. And the 20 people that have been in this room, only one of them, when I asked for help, what's the sickness? I'm a Reiki practitioner, and I will send some special healing vibration pertaining to his issues. And after 20 minutes, one guy said cancer. So, in that room of his good buddies, nobody really gives a shit. So, I sent him good vibration, folks. I don't really know him, but I just caught it on the fly. So try to send good vibrations to everybody, people, everything on this earth, and that when you send it, you cannot think, I can send good vibrations. I can have good vibrations towards everything on the planet, but then I'm gonna go out to a bar in Taiwan tonight, or I'm gonna go out and tell a lie to everybody I meet. You cannot have the cake and eat it too, is what I'm getting at. So, you have to try to be kind. And you know what, folks? So being kind to everything, well, that means when somebody's doing evil, you should just let them do evil, because that is the kind thing to do. What is it the kind thing to do? I mean, I'm just screwing around with this. That's a moral issue you got to deal with. So if somebody's breaking the law, and you're trying to stop that person breaking the law, now is that a kind thing to the person breaking the law, or is that a kind thing to the higher order? And then what is a higher order? Is the higher order is to kill all non-believers? I don't believe in any of that stuff. Religion's way too violent for me, folks. I don't think the Christian religion has anything to do with what Jesus talked about. I mean, they have in the Bible. Jesus says this and that, and 10 commandments, and be kind to one another, help one another, love one another. But how does this go to the church? It's got nothing related, especially in 1941 when the Vatican had their own concentration camp and killed maybe 1 million fellow Christians, Jews, Muslims. You know, when this, people are talking about this new pope being great. Well, let him. I want to hear him address that first before I give any thought about him being great. So anyway, folks, that's it. I mean, I'm just little me, folks. Want to love everybody, be kind to everything, make this planet a better place. We're all co-occupants, and then we're all in this boat together. So, I mean, that's the way I see things, folks. I don't know how to turn this thing off. Let me turn it off. So, be kind to one another. Be a good person, folks. Later.